everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the Spore. What's the current price of the Spore, what's the price changes in the Spore, and what is the next move of the Spore. And this video I will show you friends, but before starting this interesting video I request all of you that please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos. Please subscribe is very important for all of you. That is why I am telling you again and again that please subscribe friends. So I hope you will subscribe my channel friends. Let's see the price of the Spore. So now the price of the Spore is still zero, but that's not mean that the exact price of the Spore is going zero. The price is very low, that is why the price is showing here zero friends. On the other side, if you look the last 1 hour and the last 1 week price changes occur in the Spore. So the last only the last 1 week price change is negative. I'm talking about the previous last 1 week. So the previous last 1 week price change is negative, except of the previous last 1 week, the last 1 hour and the last 1 day price changes occur in the Spore finance is going positive friends. Let me show you friends, I'm very happy to see this kind of positive changes so continue in a Spore. Wow. Wow, absolutely, the Spore is going to the moon. Absolutely a good jump so in the Spore. And also every cryptocurrency is fall down for a little time. You can see here Spore finance also fall down for a little time, but that's not mean that when you see the fall so you decide to sell Spore. No, that's not a solution. You have to hold, you have to research about the Spore, that what is the next move. If you understand that there is a big fall coming in the Spore, so you decide to sell. And if you do a technical analysis and you understand that there is the temporary fall, so please don't decide to sell. It's time to hold friends. Remember, if you want a good amount of profit with the cryptocurrencies market, so you have to hold for long time friends. Anyways, now my prediction about Spore finance is positive, and I believe that there is a big jumps coming soon in the Spore finance. As you know, from the previous last 1 day the price change is going positive, so there is a big jumps coming in the Spore, and the last 24 hours price change is 51.11% going positive friends. There is a big jumps coming soon in the Spore. Wait for it and don't decide to sell. It's time to hold friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Spore? Please share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.